Okay, 138. Describe each of the following set by the description or listing and set builder notation. So you need to write down 3 of them. What is it going to say there? Okay, we are going to say number 1. We are going to description. We can say that S is a set of the consonant in the word algebra. Okay, so second one, where is going to write down as what is meaning you need to describe what you are going to describe there. That one is a listing method. You're listing all the one. Okay, so you can say it is S is to be what is that? A L G the consonant no the going including the A that's meaning L G B R. Okay, A and E are vowel so not including the answer so number 3 is like a set builder notation. Okay, okay, so what is meaning we are going to describe as S. Okay, you say S. You need to say as this one something like this. S is a set of S with X is to S to be is a consonant. You need to write down like this. Is a consonant in the word Poisson algebra. Okay, algebra. So you need to cross places. Okay, write down like this So this one number B, how to write down you write down something like this during your exam you need to write down how to write the in what description. Okay, number 1 you need to write description in words. You can say that F is a set of factors of 15. Okay, so F it should be you need to say F yeah. Okay, label F. Okay, go to second one. We are going to set builder notation. No, set builder, the listing method. Listing. So you need to list down all the factor, all the element all the element 1 3 5 15 only 4 only 4 element inside the factor of 15. Okay, so set builder notation you are going to go for this one. So how to set builder notation? What is it going to set builder notation F is set with S is element of S, where S it will be what is meaning S is a factor of 15. So you need to cross the places something like that. This one is set builder notation. Okay, something do like this Okay, go for number 3. Okay, do for number 3. So mark this one for the empty set for the following empty set. There is nothing in there is none of the element inside the set K. Okay, we are going to say K is equal to what? What is it mean? That one is I forgot the one. What is this one I forgot this one. We are going to use. Okay. So nothing. Okay. nothing. None, there is none element, none of the element inside the set K. They start with the P. There is no Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. There is no start. None of them are going to start with the P, letter P, huh? Okay. Prime number which can be divisible by 2. Prime number which is can be divided by 2. Prime number 2 can divide by 2. So this one is not the set, the empty set. This one you have what is the answer? This one we have the answer as Q is to be, you have 1, 2. 2 is a prime number which is can divisible by 2. So this one is there is not the empty set. Okay, Q is not the empty set. How about the S? Okay, how about the S? Okay, S is the S. We consider this one is brackets. S squared plus 1 is equal to 1. S is an integer. Okay, S squared plus this one cannot. This one maybe you don't understand, huh? Because you haven't learned about this one. How to do this one? S is integer. It exists or not? S squared, okay, plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, equal to 0. So it's meaning we solve the problem, huh? S squared is equal to -1. Okay, that's meaning S squared is to be S is to be plus minus, okay, square root, okay, of -1. -1. There is no number, there is non-integer. Okay, non-integer number, complex number. Okay, complex number. There is a complex number. There is not the integer, non-integer. There is a non-integer we get. If you are going to use a calculator, you cannot get the non-integer. Cannot solve the problems. Okay. Okay. So that is meaning we can say that. Where is it? We can say this one. X is to be empty set. Okay, empty set. Okay, nothing. There is non-element. There is no element inside there. Okay, there is meaning here, Okay, D. The letter D in the kemerdekaan. D. D here element. There is not D inside the kemerdekaan. We have a D. Yes. So R is not to be. R is not to be. R is not empty set, Okay, it's not the empty set. Okay. But we have a letter T in the word kemerdekaan. Okay. So go for next question number 4. Whether this one P is a E I O U. This one is element, it's not the element. Okay. A is an element or not? Yes, E is A is an element inside the inside the P. This one you need to know B is not. Okay, not the element, not in. Okay, not in the P. Why that? Also not inside the set P. How about this one? 2 is an element in the Q or not? Common factor 16 and 48. 2 can be become the factor of 16 or 48. Yes, because 16 can divide by 2. Divisible by 2. 48 also divisible by 2 also. So that is the element. 4 4, 16 divided by 4, we get 4. 48 divided by 4, we get 12. That means it's an element. Okay? It's an element. It's inside the element. Okay? So about the R, 16 divided by 6 cannot. Okay? Cannot divide 6 by 6. Okay? So that is not the element inside the element. Okay? It's not the element inside the 6 is not the element for the common factor of 16 and 48. Okay? This one already enough for today lah. Okay, thank you very much.